Citroën Berlingo Phase 2. Interior filters removable. The interior filter is located on here. Normally you have here a plate, but this car is the plate away. This is for us very easily. And you can see the black plate there. That is the place where the interior filter is. So you must unclip that. Just go and do that. Okay, just click. He is loose. And you have here the black plate. But let's see you. And you can take out all two interior filters to change. That is number one. And now number two. All the filters are out. Now can we replace one for new ones on the same way back.